And what's about me? Am I audible or visible properly?
Yes, both are good.
Okay. So, how are you, Chand?
I am fine. And how are you, bro?
Yeah, I am fine too. So, before we start conversation, so can you introduce yourself?
Yes, just first of all, my name is Chandraja, and
Yeah.
basically I'm from Jharkhand, and I have completed my graduation, and I'm pursuing M.Com for second years. And my hobbies are playing cricket, to watch videos on YouTube channels like BBC and TEDx channels, and I want to become a CA in my life. That's it. And
Okay.
what about?
So, yeah, my name is Bhuvan, and I'm from Uttarakhand. And here, I am preparing for government's exam right now. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So, you want to become a CA?
yes.
Okay. So I think, as per my knowledge, becoming a CA is very tough or not?
Yes,
I think it
yes,
is.
yes, yes, it is not easy. It is hard working every day. Every day I'm working. I'm studying long time. I'm in 10 to 12 hours.
Yeah, yeah. Becoming a CA not a child's play. I think
Yes,
it takes your time. It takes your sweat. It takes your
yes.
determination.
It
Okay.
can take a lots of time, and
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
you will not nervous. Then you will become a good success man.
yeah. So after completing your MCom, then you will apply for
No,
CA,
no,
or
I have taken admission.
you have taken.
Yes, I'm preparing. I'm preparing on myself.
Okay. So as per my knowledge, I think there are two or three or four session like IPCC, like
Yes, yes. Not just a foundation and
yeah,
intermediate
yeah.
and final. I'm
Okay.
not I'm not taking admission foundation. Just I was taking admission in intermediate.
Yeah, because you have done graduation, I think that's the
Yes, yes.
reason.
I have done graduation. Then I moved and I was taken admission in graduate intermediate.
Okay. And if someone is after completing 12th, he want to become
Yes,
a
yes,
CA,
yes,
so he have to so yeah, so he have to first clear foundation, I think.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So how so is this your childhood dream to becoming a CA?
Not a childhood dream. Just I obtained good marks in matriculation and intermediate. Then I moved and I was thinking in my on myself that and I was becoming CA in my life. I will become a CA in my life.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's very nice. That's very nice. And I think like you should have courage if you want to become CA. Because
What about you? What is your qualification?
yeah, I have done graduation, and actually yeah, I have done BCom.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I have done BCom, and actually I was preparing for banking exam before, but right now I am preparing for my own state exam, like account assistant, video like yeah.
Okay, and your
Mm.
country in your
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
that's
mainly I'm preparing for my own state exam.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so for how long have you been learning English?
Few months ago, I have taken subscription. I'm learning English after 1 month ago.
1 month ago.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So did you take any subscription like Clappingo, Cambly? Like there are nowadays there are a lot of platform,
Yes,
lot of what
I had taken subscription Kalipingo.
Clappingo.
I have been using 1 month.
Okay. So so did you learn something from Clappingo?
Yes, I learned something new words and new people talk to them. Then first of all I had removed my hesitation in in online video and talking to each other.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, basically at the beginning, most of the people want to speak, but just because of hesitation, so
Yes.
they would not able to speak.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. So
And
so
you,
what?
brother, did you join any classes, any online classes?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have joined the Clappingo as well as Cambly.
What about
Cambly,
your
yeah.
family?
Cambly is like a Clappingo, but through Clappingo, we can taught by Indian tutor, but
Yes,
through
yes.
Clappingo we can taught by foreign tutor. They are native speakers. Yeah, and they speak very well. Mhm.
How
Yeah,
much pay? How much pay did you? How much pay did you family?
can be like if you want to 15-minute session per a week, so you have to pay 1,500 rupees.
Okay,
Yeah, and you will get 15 minutes, only 15 minutes in a week.
okay. I think
Yeah.
you have four session in a month.
Sorry.
I think you have four session in a month.
Yeah, fourth session in a month. Yeah, right, right.
Which
Yeah.
types of subscription did you use?
Which kind of subscription?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, basically I subscribe only 15 minutes in a week per week because it is very costly to pay
Yes, I
1,500.
know.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm thinking I will join Camly, but it is high prices, high subscription, but I will not afford this time. Then I will join Kalpingo. It is cheapest, and I pay 2,000 in a month. And I have take for 13 classes,
13
15
classes.
15 minutes per each classes.
Yeah, yeah, Clappingo is cheap than Cambly, but
Mm.
Clappingo is also I think costly because we have to pay I think 200 rupees something for one session.
200.
So
Uh,
200 rupees. If you want to suppose if you want to buy their subscription,
yeah,
so yeah, and if you want to buy 15 minutes per week,
yes.
and yeah, so you have to pay 800 something rupees I think 826 or 27. I'm not sure, but you have to pay for
Where?
60 minutes.
Camly Kalpingo.
Clappingo,
Kalpingo.
Clappingo. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
and after finish your course, Camly Kalpingo, where will you go in online classes?
After that, I'm using this platform to talking with my subscribers as well as with whom I can talk. So
Uh,
yeah, so it is also very good because I'm learning a lot of things from you.
yes,
So
yes.
yeah, yeah. So this is
It
also
is
very
best,
good.
it is cheapest way and best platform, online platform.
Right. Because we are paying, yeah, because we are paying our internet bills. So
Yes,
through internet we can connect very easily with each other, and we all know very well. And if you want to get fluency in English, so just we need to do practice.
yes.
So if we want to practice, so I think this is a very good platform.
And bro, how many people did you talk? Do you talk in a daily
Yeah,
online
every
platform?
day. Yeah, every day every day I talk I think 2 or 3 people.
Okay,
Yeah, every day. Yeah,
that's nice.
yeah,
And
yeah.
you should try EnglishChai.com.
Englishary.com. Yeah, actually, yeah, I tried. Actually, right now I didn't try yet, but
Okay.
yeah, but yeah, I will try. I will try English Yari, and English Yari is the cheapest. If I will compare Cambly Clappingo, So English Yari is the cheapest.
You
Like
should
you
you
have
should
to.
take demo.
No, didn't take any demo yet. But yeah, I am trying. But yeah, I am planning to take demo on English Yari.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh, it is free cost of demo classes.
yeah. Demo class is free. Have you taken any classes on English Yari?
Yes, yes, I have taken demo classes.
Okay, so how is your experience? Because you
It,
have
it
mhm,
was good experience. It was good. I was talk Vikas Gupta.
Vikas Gupta.
He is
Okay, I think
he's the owner of EnglishAri.com.
yeah, he's the founder, I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, actually, right now I didn't try English Yari, but yeah, I will try. Definitely, I will try. Yeah,
After you finish your family, you will join. You should join EnglishAri.com. It is cheapest way. Uh,
yeah. So, how's the price of in English Yari like for one session? How much we have to pay for one session?
no, not to pay. It is free of cost.
I think only demo session will be free.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, like after demo session.
After demo session, you have to choose subscription. You have to choose plan 1 month, quarter, and yearly. I
Okay,
think I saw one plan 799 in a month. There are 20 classes 1 month
20
and a
classes,
week. 20 classes, 5 classes, 30 minutes,
30
20 to
minutes.
35, 20 to 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay, so this is a very good thing.
And both there are Indian tutors and one foreigner tutors. She is a foreigner tutor. She is one foreigner tutor, foreign tutor.
On English Yari group, on English
Yes, yes,
Yari
yes,
website.
yes,
Okay, yeah, so it's amazing, I think.
yes.
Yeah, yeah,
It
yeah.
will. It is good, not the cheapest, not a high uh, price.
Yeah, like
I'm
it is affordable.
for student, not I'm earning money, not I'm
Mm-hmm.
affordable too much pay in online class and online platform.
Yeah, right, 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 right. So, what are the things which you do to improve your English on daily basis?
In a daily basis, I talk to them, any people, and just I will improve my speaking skill day to day, and just I'm working on English part, reading, writing, and listening work.
Listening also.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, listening is very useful. Yeah, 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 yeah. So, so like, what is your purpose? What is your purpose to learn this language? Like, why do you want to? Why
Yeah,
do you want to learn?
I told you. Usually, I'll become a CA. Then I will move. Then in any country, any states. Then I need to English. It is part of life. You will not now English. You will not get success in any area.
Yeah, right, right. Yeah, so after becoming a CA, you want to go abroad.
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah, that's very nice. So I think you have to do work very hard for
Yeah.
becoming a CA. Yeah, okay. So what are the other things which you want to do apart from CA, apart from English? What are the things you like to do always?
Nothing is going on good. But first of all, I am prepared for. I'm learning English good. Uh,
Okay,
and
okay,
then and 1 to 2 hours every day I'm working on English part, and then I move on the CA preparing. I'm preparing a CA work.
okay. So is there any lockdown in your area?
Yes, it is lockdown in states, in Jharkhand state.
Jharkhand state.
It is
Okay.
it is extend 1 week,
Yeah,
28
yeah.
to 3rd June.
Okay. So where do you live in Jharkhand? You live in a city area or you live in a village
Yes,
area?
yeah. I live in Bokaro. I live in city area. Just you name is the name is Bokaro Steel City.
Okay. Okay. So
And
here you,
you know Bokaro Steel City?
no, no, actually first time I am hearing from you. Yeah.
Okay. And what? How about your Corona situation at your place?
Yeah, like it is manageable right now. And I live in a village area here in Uttarakhand. So in village area, so we are like we are completely safe, I think here. Yeah,
Yes.
because limited people live here. We have not a large population in my village. Limited people live here. Yeah,
Literally.
yeah. Yeah.
There are not environment in speaking conversation.
Because most of the people speak their native language. My native language is Kumaoni.
Yes.
Kumaoni. Yeah. So people speak Kumaoni. So yeah. Because the main thing is that they need not to learn English language. The main thing is that.
I know
Yeah.
it is stay in a village area, not move on any city area.
Mm, yeah. Right. Right. But nowadays we have multiple options to learn this language. Like we can connect easily through internet all around the world.
Yeah. Mostly for it is going on lockdown there, and every people have too much time.
Yeah. Yeah, like if I would talk about 10 years before, 10 years before, that 10 or 8 years before, that time we had not this kind of facility. If we
Yes,
want to learn English, so we have to go any coaching institute, any spoken
yes,
classes institute. But nowadays things has totally changed. If someone is really want to learn, so here like if I would talk about YouTube. So
yes,
I think I think in YouTube there are enough content. If someone is really want to learn something from their heart,
yes.
yeah.
Do
What do
you
you
have
think about?
do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I
Oh,
have a YouTube channel. Yeah, yeah,
that's nice.
yeah. And is it okay if I would upload this video on YouTube?
Okay, okay, no problem. You uploaded this our video. I don't have any problem.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
One month ago, I have taken subscription Kelpingo. Then after few days, I create on YouTube channel on my YouTube
Okay,
channel.
okay. So you have also YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, I have also YouTube channels. That's why
Okay.
I have uploaded our video conversation in any people's. Then I have people saw our video. Then talk to me, send to message in these times of message sent to me, and I
Yeah.
uploaded it.
Yeah,
It
and
is ba-
definitely, yeah, and these things will help others. Yeah, yeah. This is a very good thing, I think.
it will help to each other.
Yeah. Right. If someone is beginner, if he saw this, he or her see
I
our
am
video.
not a fluent English.
Yeah, same thing here. I'm not good at English, but yeah, we are trying. We are
Yes.
trying. Yeah. So, what are the best places to visit in Jharkhand?
There are lots of places good and like Jagannath Mandir and seas and one seas, not a many seas, and
Mhm.
temples are lots of my in our states.
Okay, a lot of temples there in your state.
Yes, but I did not go any temples.
Okay. Okay, here in Uttarakhand also there are a lot of temples, lot of famous temples, I would say. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah. So have you ever been in Uttarakhand?
No, I have I did not do not have been in Uttarakhand.
Okay. Okay. So So I think we should wrap our session or anything.
So,
Uh,
and okay,
yeah.
okay.
Or no, you can ask anything. Like, yeah, if you want to ask, yeah, ask me.
No, no, I do not ask anything.
Okay. So should we wrap our session?
Okay, huh? Yes.